All right, our black and white unit starts off with an introduction to black and white. And so if you click on the Introduction to Black and White Photography Google slide, click on the introduction video. It will kind of walk you through the slides that you'll see in the presentation. We'll talk a little bit about what makes a good photograph in black and white, how color transfers into black and white, what is needed to make a successful photograph, and some guiding questions for you to evaluate your work. Then, let's see if I can skip down a little bit. You're going to go down to the top 5 black and white photography tips. And there is a document, a black and white tips worksheet that you'll complete. Listening to that video and then going through and summarizing each of the bullet points of the 5 tips for black and white photography. So practice, practice, practice is number 1. And right here, I have already written practice, practice, practice. So you summarize the 3 bullet points on that slide into the slots provided. The second one is looking at contrast. And so again, you summarize these bullet points in the worksheet. The 5 tips are there to help guide you and kind of get you started taking pictures for black and white. We're going to focus on landscapes, movement, and textures. And so you're asked to take about 20 pictures for each category. So you'll come in with about 60 pictures, and you will choose your top 2 that you're going to edit and submit for each category. Have fun, and I look forward to seeing your black and white.